Got the setup AVC on the Mojave 4S. Show you how I get the settings done on the DX5. See, first thing you want to do is just make sure I got everything, all the settings all pretty dialed in. I'm gonna do a run through how I got it all set up. You want to create your model. I already did that. And you want to scroll all the way down till you get to the drive mode. And then this right here is where you can select whatever toggle button you want to set up on it. I got that set to D. You see it scrolling down. And then you add it. I got 1 for beginner, 2 slick, 3 stability, and 4 full rip. You back that out. After you get that set up, and you want to go up here to traction, and with the same toggle, you see it got drive mode 1, 0.80%, speed 14. Then you go to 2, 0.80, speed 9. 3, 0.80, speed 80. Then 4.80, speed 4. Rates. Everything is 100%. Your rate steering on the first one, 75. Steering on the second drive mode is 90. Then your steering rate on the third mode is 100. And then fourth mode is 100. Then you can change, you can go to your throttle. I'll leave that highlighted. Throttle 25% on the first mode, 43% second mode, 76% third mode, and 100% fourth mode. Then you got brakes. Go all the way back down to 1, 43% brake, 2, 43, 3, 75, 4, 100% brake. And that's how all those settings is on the thing. So I'm gonna get this receiver put in and turn that off for right now. We're gonna go ahead and install this SR610AT AV receiver. Move that out the way. fit in there, but you can turn it on the side. You can turn this on the side like this. So you ain't gonna be able to get this one in here straight up and down. You can turn it on the side. The AVC still gonna function right. Just get that. Matter of fact, before I even do that, get this undone. Throttle in there, throttle port with the negative side coming out. We got the fan. Just plug the fan up into the battery. Battery programming. But for just demonstration purpose, I'm gonna just set this in here, showing you how to set this up. See that right there. You're in full rip mode for you bind. You want to go and turn your radio on, let it beat. You want to hold the orange button until it starts flashing. Put it in bind mode. You want to bind 11 milliseconds. If you go anything 5.5 is fast and it don't work on the AVC, so it has to be in 11 or higher. And you get 22. 5 is too low for the AVC to function right. And then you just go and hit bind. Click bind. Telemetry is telling you, but the light is still solid, so it still ain't, no matter what you do. Well, it's steering, but you ain't gonna get no throttle. But let that, what's the name of, you get to set it. You gotta go for the AVC to function right. You gotta hold full throttle. When the light goes out, go back to neutral, go full brake, the light goes out, go back to neutral, Then you want to turn full right. Light goes out, then come back on. Then you want to go back to full left. Wait a minute, it's gonna process, and you got full control now. And that's how you set that up. Now turn it off. Put your remote back to beginner. No. Put that full rip, but then you can calibrate the ESC. So you want to hold the set button and power on. Flashing. And now you're in full 100% everything. And hit the set button in neutral. Gonna hold full throttle. And then full reverse brake. That's set up. And then you got all your smart telemetry. Motor showing the amps, the ESC temperature. You got the RPMs down there, so, and it stores the RPM. And your battery level, telling you what, it's a 5,000 milliamp. Tells you the cells, the cycle count on it, the temperature of the battery. This right here is the full ESC status. So it's giving you all your then it's more than the max RPM temperature. Alright, we're gonna scroll down to ABC. In drive mode 1, you want steering gain 90, throttle 50, priority 100. In drive mode 2, you want steering gain 75, throttle gain 65, priority 40. Drive mode 3, steering gain 50, throttle gain 25, priority 80. And then on drive mode 4, full rip, you want everything at 0. Steering gain, throttle gain, priority. You don't want no AVC when you in full rip mode. Go back out. Get everything buttoned up. Let's see how it's gonna be in beginner mode. See how the AVC kick in. Oh, and I put my travel. I got 90% travel on steering left and right to keep the servo from binding or browning out. Beginner mode should have a little bit of stability. Slick mode. Beginner mode. Slick mode. And we got stability mode. And Full rip AVC should be off. No AVC on full rip. Get out here and test it out. Alright, we testing beginner mode, seeing how straight it is. Right here is slick mode. back to stability.